In this video, I will be disassembling a 2012 Honda Odyssey Halogen headlight. I will begin by removing the 5 Phillips head screws from the perimeter of the light. Next, I will cut off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. The front bezel is connected to the lens using a series of Phillips head screws. I will begin by going to the rear of the light and turning the 10mm headlight adjusting bolt all the way to the left. Next, I will remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the bottom mounting point. There's one more mounting point for the projector bracket on this lower inside corner. I'm going to slide a screwdriver in from the rear and pop it off. At this point, the whole assembly will come free. The headlight housing is now empty. There are 3 Phillips head screws holding the projector to the mount. There is a clip on the top and bottom holding the projector housing together. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.